Okay, to get started, I just have this picture open in Photoshop and I want to remove the two people in the middle. Let's start with the easiest way to remove something. First, you'll need to select the lasso tool, and then roughly trace around the object or person you'd like to remove. Once you've made your selection, use the Shift F5 keyboard shortcut to bring you the fill settings. It should already be set to content aware, but you might need to check color adaptation to get a more accurate result. And now when I hit OK, it'll simply remove the object from my background. This looks okay, but it's not. They're rigged because I'm noticing this sharp cutoff with the colors. To fix issues like this, I would just select the bad area and press Shift F5 again, and just click OK again to clean it. You might even need to do more passes, but eventually you'll probably get a decent result. I'm satisfied with this though, so let's move on to a different way. To remove something this time, let's say you want to remove the clock in case we do not need it. First, you'll need to select the Patch tool. You can also get out of the Patch tool by just tapping the J key on your keyboard. Then draw around the thing you'd like to remove. Now you can drag your selection to sample a different part of the image to replace with the current part. This technique works really well when you have a repeatable pattern in the background or a lot of the same kind of objects to sample from. Alright, this looks good. That's it. Thanks for watching.